welcome to the HTML Basics 2 tutorial. This one is for lessons 1 through 4. This one starts off saying, in this course you will take it to the next level. You're going to be making ordered and unordered lists, changing font size, color, and type, changing the background color, and aligning the text. So step 1 says, let's get warmed up by adding a title in the head. So up top here, in between your head tags, is where you're going to enter your 2 title tags. Your opening title tag and your closing title tag. And then you can go ahead if you want and add a title, even though it won't show up in your browser. Okay, remember that title, that would be the title that, if this were a live web page, that would be the title of the tab. Okay, so we're done with step 1. Step 2 says, in the body, create a paragraph using the P tag. Write anything you like. Alright, so we're going to go in between our body tags, create a P tag, and add anything you like. And then after you write what you want it to say, you need to make sure to close your P tag. Alright, after you do those 2 steps, go ahead and hit Save and Submit Code. Okay, step 2 of 16 is just talking about indentation or the format of your code. We spoke earlier in the course about making sure to work vertically as opposed to horizontally because it just makes your code more readable. So it says here to make sure that you are taking a look at the indentation, which means notice how the head tag is indented. And then the title tag, which is kind of nested within the head tags, is indented even further. So that, see how the head tags, both of them are have the same indentation, and then the body tags both have the same indentation. And then the HTML, the opening HTML tag, has the same indentation as the closing HTML tag. They want you to try to follow that from now on, and again, it just makes your code more readable. Go ahead and hit, there's nothing you need to do for this one, so you can go ahead and hit Save and Submit Code. Okay, now we are on lesson 3 of 16, and we are going to practice making ordered lists. So basically it says an ordered list is, well, if you look over, to the right side of the screen, this is an ordered list. 1, raindrops on roses, 2, whiskers on kittens, so on and so forth. So in the directions part here, it says on line 8, we begin the ordered list with the opening tag OL. That's what it stands for, ordered list. So there's where that is on line 8. 9 through 11 is when you wrap each individual item in the list in LI tags. So here there are 4 list items. Raindrops on roses, whiskers on kittens, so on and so forth. And then under that, that's where you are going to close the OL tags. So everything that's within the 2 OL tags are items in the list, and they're each individually wrapped with LI tags. So let's scroll down to the instructions. It says on line 14, create an H2 size heading called List of Things I Find Just Okay. So we're going to go to line 14. H2, List of Things I Find Just Okay. And then don't forget to close your H2 tag. Step 2 says, starting on line 15, create an ordered list using the OL tag. So we're on line 15. Go ahead, OL. Now don't close this tag yet. You have to remember that the closing OL tag goes under the listed items. So step 3 says your list should have 3 items, each wrapped by LI tags. So we're going to list out things that we find just okay. LI. I'm going to say reality TV. Close that LI tag. Another list item that I find just okay. No offense to you guys, but work. I love the students, but having to work every day, I just find it okay. And lastly, one other thing I find just okay, let's say exercise. Okay, and then close your last item with the closing LI tag, and then don't forget to close the OL tag. And technically, I should have been indenting like they asked you to so you can see things easier. Remember, when things are nested, if you indent like this and keep the tags, the same tags, opening, closing, on the same indentation level, then that'll be much more readable. All right, go ahead and hit Save and Submit Code. Okay, now we're on lesson 4 out of 16. And we're going to just continue on with ordered lists. So it says in step 1, in the body tag, create an H3 tag with the text most annoying TV celebrities. Go ahead into your body. Make your H3 tag, most annoying TV celebrities. Honestly, I don't care if you choose TV celebrities or not. Just pick whoever you want, people that annoy you, as long as they're not your classmates or me. Okay, and then it says, so that was step 1. Step 2 says, make an ordered list with the OL tag of the top 3 celebrities you find not to your taste. All right, so we're going to start off with the OL tag, and then we're going to tab over to indent, and we're going to list out, I'm going to say top 3. So I am going to go with, I don't know if you guys will know who this is or not, but her name is Kelly Pickler. She won American Idol a long time ago, or not, I don't know if she won it or not, but she was on American Idol, and she used to drive me crazy. So there's one. And then someone else that drives me nuts is Claire. I don't know her last name, but she's from Bachelor in Paradise. And then lastly, I'm going to go with the lovely Miley Cyrus. I think that's how you spell her last name. Okay, so each individual item was wrapped in the LI tags. Then I need to close my OL tag. And remember, you want it lined up with the opening OL tag to make it more readable. So that was step 3. Where it said remember to close your OL tag. Step 4 says under the list you made, make an H2 tag with the text top 3 things I can do for Mother's Day. So that is H2. Top 3 things I can do for Mother's Day. Close your H2 tag. And then step 5 says make another ordered list of those things too. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open up my OL tag, tab, start with my first list. Since I'm a mother, I would love to sleep on Mother's Day. What else can I do? I would love to eat on Mother's Day. And lastly, I can hopefully open gifts on Mother's Day. Oops. Closing LI tag. And then, again, do not forget to close that OL tag. And then you should be able to hit Save and Submit and move on to the next lesson.